Okay, so today we're here at Jorio's Chicken in downtown Honolulu with Hector, who is actually from Peru, right? So we're gonna find out today if everything is authentic. So what do we have today?
Well, I always start with dessert. We have flan here. It looks pretty good. I like how it's cut. It's firm. The colors. It smells good. It doesn't smell burnt. That's one thing that
That's
you want to know
important.
about flan. Now we go to the main course, which is Peruvian rotisserie chicken, pollo a la brasa in Spanish. Here is a cilantro chicken soup with rice and empanadas, which these ones are baked with ground beef. My friend from Puerto Rico is going to add some explanation.
Las empanadas son estilo argentino, ¿no?
Sí, sí.
Se ven bien bonitas y parece que tienen como un glaze de huevo o un poquito de leche encima que las hace bien doradas.
Argentinian.
Y la textura, sí, y la textura de la sopa se ve divina, se ve que tiene bastante arroz.
Yes.
Es una sopa de esas que sostiene bastante a uno durante el día. Y el flan está apetitoso, como a mí me gusta, que no es un flan gelatinoso, sino que es un flan bien cremoso con leche, huevo, vainilla y leche condensada,
Sí.
que es el ingrediente para mí principal.
Sí.
Sí. Y el pollito se ve riquísimo.
Se ve bien, está gordo, está bueno.
Sí, y con un buen color.
Everything has good color and so far it smells good.
Cool. Okay, let's dig in. Hector's still eating, but what are you eating?
We're having the empanadas. It's a savory ground beef baked pastry. I really recommend it. It's better than the chicken.
Oh,
Yeah.
cool.
It's very authentic. I like the flavor. It has raisins and eggs. And the chicken was great too, but I must say the empanada was even better. The rest, it's okay.
It's okay. Yeah. Cool. As far as being authentic, though,
I
was
think
it
it's been authentic, but the flavor has been toned down.
for local
Less-
taste?
Yeah, to local taste. The flavor is still the same, but maybe it should have more salt and more garlic.
Cool.
Come
Okay.
back.
Thank you.